Hi everyone, today's market day. This is our splash pad at the market. It's called the Green. The area that we're in, they have concerts here. But they didn't build this too handicap accessible. It's only one way in with a handicap. And all this rocky rock, or whatever bumpy, it ain't very good. But that looks like fun. If I had my swimsuit on, I'd splash. I'd go splashing. Maybe. So, we're here today to pick up my prize. I won a prize last week. They had a drawing for some kind of market basket, so I'm gonna go see what's in it. I just don't like the way they built this. People do come up here and use it, but there's been some complaints. So, have to get down those 3 steps. To go out handicap, you gotta go way over there or way up there. So, cocktails and cupcakes are back this week. You want a cupcake? I can't have them this week. I've been so good. I haven't had anything sweet since Sunday night. And it's only Tuesday, so. Alright. Hello, I'm good.
Have your dog with you today?
No, I went out to the mall and she can't go to the mall.
Oh, gotcha.
So I didn't want to go home and get her and come back.
Understand.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully next time.
Yeah, next time.
It's pretty hot out here.
Yeah. Pretty hot. I just come to collect the prize that I won from last week.
Oh, gotcha.
I was the winner of the basket.
Yes.
So,
Well, I hope you enjoy it.
thank you. I don't know what it is, but I'll find out. And you got your lady with the bows. You need bows for your kids to go back to school?
Come on, Lele.
Hi.
The fake Olive Garden dressing is what I use. So, it's there, you can taste it. It's all the different vegetables that I grow, along with garlic, a little bit of pasta. Of course you can. Here, I'll get you your own. There's fresh garlic and stuff. Oh.
Let's see what this.
Okay, there you go. I don't know. This is pretty good stuff.
Alright. This is where I won the market basket from, everyone. We're back to look at more stuff and see what they've got.
Would I eat mushrooms off a dead body?
Yes.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
I didn't know this. All right. Thank you so much.
Put these in the fridge.
Yes.
She's coming to pick them up.
I'm gonna come and get them.
Yeah, she's coming.
Oh, she's in a hurry, I bet.
Look, she sent me back to get the rest of these.
I'm glad she got them.
I started to call her when I first got here.
You knew.
But I
But
didn't.
that's a lot of money.
Not many produce here today, but we're talking and looking. So
Like I said, she don't eat.
Yeah.
She eats all plant
No,
based.
for her, that's like buying a nice steak.
That's what this is.
Yeah.
And her daughter's the chef, so she gonna fix it too.
more market stuff.
Stevia. Oh, the stevia. I don't have the fresh one, but I think I have the dehydrated one. That we have. But if you need, I can bring some for you. It's really funny. because I was out there this morning cutting stuff and so forth, and I said, oh, I should cut some stevia. And then I said, okay. I've been bringing it, and I don't remember everyone to drink to it. So I said, okay.
County Extension Agent, 4-H, Gardening Club, you name it.
We'll see you later.
So far, that's the only thing I've been able to
Yes.
learn. But I want to be able to do other stuff.
Hey, ma'am, how you
Hi, I'm doing okay. Just looking.
So
Yeah.
I'm trying, so I would definitely read this.
information for
Yeah, thank you very much.
information on
Thank
home
you. Have a
gardening.
good
Oh, I don't need it.
Okay.
I've had it before. I've got all that information at home.
Okay, so I'm a professional now. Okay, and then we also have some information on becoming a master gardener. If you're interested in that.
Yeah, I don't need that. My neighbor was a master gardener. I don't know if she's still alive or not.
Oh my.
Her name was Millie. I don't remember her last name. Boykin.
Yeah, that's what she said. She died.
When did she pass away?
Maybe 3 or 4 months ago. Yeah, because I think they sent out an email maybe about 3 months ago.
Yeah, she was And here is the food vendor, but I'm gonna go back over there and get me a cucumber. Because I don't have any at home. Make me some more cucumber salad.